Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming a shopbop haul. I normally don't sit on the floor, but I was just in the mood to sit somewhere else right now. And also it's a big box and it's not really gonna fit on my desk very well. So here is my big old box of goodies I got from shopbop. So let's go ahead and dig on in. So the first thing is, I guess they threw in this little freebie of Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. Unlike Sephora that left my freebies out, but that's just a nice little perk. So there's that. And there's also another item that came for free. I guess it was just some kind of promotion they were running at the time. They sent me a water bottle for free. So let's open this up and check it out. There you go. So it's got like this coral rubber bit about surrounding it, and it's a glass bottle with a plastic lid that has a handle, a little silicone gel packet in there, I guess, to keep the water bottle fresh. Is that necessary? Well, I can't get it out, so I'm not gonna fuss with it right now, but just a nice little freebie, and this is certainly something I will use, so that's pretty cool. Now let's get into the items I purchased. Now, they were running a coupon code, and some of these items I wouldn't be able to get on sale from their own websites, if that makes any sense. Like these Stony Clover Lane. I'm subscribed. I don't get coupon codes. Maybe my email filters them out or something, but if you're subscribed on their mailing list and you get coupon codes, let me know. I don't really get many emails from them at all. So anyway, that's an aside. So let's get into the first item that I've already shown. This is the mini pouch. It's in the tie-dye design, which I believe is a limited edition design. I've wanted to get a couple of pouches to sort of start organizing my purses a little better, especially as I'm switching in and out of them. It'll just be nice to have little containers that hold kind of the main bits that I usually use. Maybe not so much for my smaller purses, but especially as we advance into the world kind of slowly getting back to what it was before, even though I don't think it ever will be. I am going to be going into the office semi more frequently-ish, so it'll be nice to just take things I need and plop them right in the larger purse, so I can use one purse instead of a laptop bag and a purse. So I got the mini pouch, and so this is a good size for putting like the computer charger in, and a phone charger, and my AirPods. Like, this is a good size for that. In the same print, I got this like pencil pouch, although I don't see myself using this as a pencil pouch. For me, this felt like a good size for putting my hand sanitizer, which is a bit longer, and my powder sunscreen, which is like in a longer tube with a little brush on the end. And then I could throw chapstick in here. Like, this felt more like a good size for me, like cosmetic type bag for my purses instead of a pencil bag. I don't really carry a pencil. I mean, I take a pen to the grocery store, but otherwise I really don't tend to have writing utensils, although I guess I could throw a writing utensil in here if I needed to for my work bag, but I usually use something with a lid anyway, so it's not a big deal. So really cute. I don't know if you'll be able to find this print on many websites anymore, but it's very cute. And then lastly, I got this one. This is the classic small pouch, and this is the bubblegum color. I'm pretty sure this color is probably still online on shopbop, but I think this is also on their own website. They have a ton of colors on their own website, like the whole rainbow selection basically. And it's actually bigger than I thought it would be. A lot bigger. So I don't know if this is going to necessarily be used in some sort of purse application, or if this will be more so something for travel. But I guess in my larger purses I could put things in here. But really cute, and definitely a really nice durable nylon material. This feels like it'd be really sturdy. The next item is a bag, and it is something that I have looked at on several different websites and just found so adorable and been so smitten with, but I just thought that's too big. I'm never gonna carry that around. The size is too large. It's gonna like look ridiculous, me, little me holding it. And then I saw this mini version and I was like, okay, that's it. I'm done. I want it. So I got this bag from Simon Miller. Came with a little dust bag. And y'all are gonna think I'm crazy, but I think this is so cute. Oh my god, it's like this little bucket bag that's like nearly a literal interpretation of a bucket. It's so silly, but you guys know I love literal interpretations of things. I mean, love. So this being like a bucket bag, love it. The plastic is so much smoother than I expected it to be. It actually feels very, very luxurious. And it's just big enough to hold what I need if I'm going somewhere where this is the kind of bag I want to take anyway. I don't have an orange bag beside my jack-o'-lantern, so I thought this would be a fun one going into fall to add to the collection. I'm so obsessed with it. It's so silly and just perfect. I love it. And then the last item I purchased, also a bag, this is a very bag heavy haul, is from Brandon Blackwood, New York. And he had a line, or I guess it is a line within his line of bags that were vegan friendly. So I purchased one of them to see how I would like it, because I haven't seen any of these bags in person. And it's honestly so cute. So cute. And packaged really well. Like all of the little feet came with these covers, which is so nice. It's got silver hardware. I went with this brown color because I don't have anything explicitly brown. I have like tans. I've got a bucket bag that sits somewhere between tan and brown, but this is like pretty brown. And it's just so cute and tiny. It kind of feeds into the need of wanting something in that micro bag trend, but without being so micro that it's completely impractical. You can actually fit things in here. I think I could fit a decent amount of stuff in here. It is sheer and see-through, but without being too obnoxious, so like I wouldn't feel weird having my wallet in there. I don't think someone will see the numbers on any cards or anything. Let me see if I can get some of this packaging off and we can explore it a little bit more. Okay, so I have the packaging off the handles. Look how precious these top handles are. They're so cute. I kind of like that the string on the zipper is needlessly long in comparison to the body, but I just think that's kind of funny. Really cute. And this is all faux leather, vegan leather, which is so nice. I think this entire line with the sheer body is vegan, but don't quote me on it, but I'm pretty sure it is. The two on Shopbop, where there's another one that's blue. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want that one too after seeing this in person. It's really cute, but I might behave myself. We'll see. Inside, packaged really nicely. We've got a bubble, and we have the crossbody strap. Looks like it is definitely adjustable, which as a short person I love to see. So there's that. It still has the silver hardware. I'm really in love with this bag. I think it's so cute. I can't wait to use it in a practical sense and see how it goes. Looks like on the inside of the sheer mesh part there is a plastic, so you're not putting your stuff on the mesh, which would probably cause it to break down a lot faster. That's pretty smart. I love it. I think it's so cute. So cute. I love the little feet. I do have a little bit of misshapenness here, but I think I can mold that back together. Yeah, I already molded it back in, but I love the feet. I think it's so cute. I do wish it would have had like a gold hardware option, but I don't think this is necessarily a line that has all those options on all the bags right now, but I do think it's really cute. So I'm very excited about this bag. So those are all the items I picked up in my Shopbop haul. Maybe not the most exciting haul, just a super bag-centric haul, but that's what I was looking for on that particular day, so that's what I bought. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to stick around for a while. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and at Amandaphenomenon.com if you'd like to see how some of these things end up getting used and worn and integrated into my wardrobe. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye.